Ka Sorkar Jylla kalabui ka Tarik Khatduh kata ka arpo Tarik unaitung arajar arpusan kum kesengi ka Khatduh ban pen Kynriah Noh Na Khyndailad Madan syaka mudah kompleks. Ki babun ki Nongdie kilaya menjur Henry ki don pat sakat to kat ni ki badang pen triang ya kate ka jing pen Kynriah ya ki syaka te ka jaka kepala aida ka Sorkar Jylla. Menteri Katanat Sorkar Jylla Bapol Lingdo Ulaong BNI March Peu Hajar Tingka kum ke shifting grant ringkat bat hajar tingka man lau benai na kebentasan benai. Bat laweng tang yaki Nongdie Madan ki bom syamla register haka jing pen Kynriah jakashong. Bapol Lingdo ulama hamru baka jing khanglat ka bajur kalong namar bakilalap ya ka jing khapnya haki benta jong ka Khyndailad bat kani kalong ban penti kenai ka jing shngan jong ki pajba nonglej nongwan haka te ka jaka.
What happened yesterday was really unlucky, unfortunate, and uncalled for because the officers have gone and made it clear that only those possessing what we call a COV, Certificate of Vending, will be allowed to carry on their trade. Now, the government has also been very lenient because we have given them time. But as the deadline ended, we have extended this deadline to the 22nd of July. And there is space for 400 hawkers, out of which only half have agreed to move out, whereas they were party to all the decisions of the town vending committee. Now, that apart, for them to shift to the new space, the MTC space, we have earmarked a sanctioned amount of 10,000 rupees per vendor as shifting allowance. Also, government has already intimated to them that as they start their venture in the new vending zone, each vendor will get a monthly financial support of 2,000 rupees per vendor for 5 months in order to help incentivize them as they shift to the new vending zone. All of these have been agreed upon. Therefore, there seems to be other hidden agenda by some of the leaders. I will not blame all the hawkers, but apparently a few leaders would not like this issue to be resolved. So that is, but again, let me reiterate here that government is committed to ensuring the rule of law.